Yeah, hi friend, this is Tapos and welcome to this new module. So in this video, we will learn that fact checklist pattern. This is also very super a powerful pattern. So fact checklist pattern, the concept behind is, suppose we want to know something from ChatGPT or any other artificial tools. So we will ask some question to ChatGPT. In that case, we will ask ChatGPT include some facts out of it so that it can be more so that it can be easy to understand. Okay, so suppose it's giving a paragraph, suppose it's giving a long story, suppose it's giving a detailed information like 1000 words, 2000 words. Okay, so we want to highlight some points, we want to highlight some facts so that that content may be very powerful, content may be more catchy, content may be more attractive. So we will tell ChatGPT provide some facts, provide include some facts, highlight some facts, like that way. Okay, so let us take, so this example illustrates the fact checklist pattern by illustrating ChatGPT to generate a list of fundamental facts contained in the output and insert them at the end of the output to ensure the information's accuracy. Okay, I think you got the idea. Now let me take one example. The example number one is historical article. Suppose you are telling ChatGPT whenever you are writing a historical article, generate a set of facts contained in it. A set of facts should be inserted at the end of the article. The set of facts should be the fundamental facts that could undermine the veracity of the article if any of them are incorrect. Okay, so this prompt we are writing to ChatGPT. Again, the example number two is okay. Let us practice example number one. So when you are writing a historical article, you should follow these rules. You should keep in mind this word. Okay, so we are telling ChatGPT that when you are writing, when you write a historical article, in your case the topic might be different, subject might be different, of course it will be different. Here only I have given five examples, you can create another five example, 10 example, 50 example for your practice purpose, and see how the response work. So when you write a historical article, generate a set of facts contained in it. A set of facts should be inserted at the end of the article. The set of facts should be the fundamental facts that could undermine the veracity of the article if any of them are incorrect. Okay, so let's press enter. Let's see. Sure. When writing a historical article, including a set of facts at the end can help ensure transparency and accuracy. Here is an example on how you might structure this fact. Okay, so it's giving me the detailed information. It's saying historical article. The thing is the impact of the industrial revolution of urbanization. Okay, this is the historical article. So summary is this: the industrial revolution, which began in late 18th century, led to significant change of urbanization. Okay, fundamentally altering social and economic structures. Okay, cities grew rapidly as people moved from rural areas to urban centers in search of work, leading to both opportunities and challenges. Okay, so now you can see it has given a summary. Okay, after that what it has done is set of facts, the most highlighted points, most important points, it has highlighted. Set of facts, what are the facts? The industrial revolution timeline. Okay, this is more, this is important. Population growth, this is also one fact, very important fact. The technological advances, so it is also an important thing. Living conditions, so this is also one more important things. And economic impact, social changes, government policies, all these details are given here. So summary, see the summary is quite small. Okay, the only four lines are there, but when I requested for a fact, so it has given me a lot of description so that I can understand better what happened at the time, what in industrially, what happened, population growth, what happened, technological advances, what happened, living condition, how it happened. So all the detailed information it has given. Okay, so I think you got the idea how to use that how to use that pattern. Okay, so we will take another example and we will see. Suppose you are asking scientific reports, so again the format is same. You need to replace your content, you need to replace your desired outcome, what you expect, what you want from ChatGPT or any other artificial tools, that you need to clear that this is my subject and that is what I am looking for, so you provide me those answer. Okay, so you only need to replace it, rest everything will be same. You need to copy and paste this template, and then you run, you replace your content, your subject, your topic, your industry, and then you are good to go. And what is your expectation, in your case might be different. uh, that is what I am trying to expect, I am trying to get from ChatGPT. In your case it might be different, so mention that thing, I want that thing from you only. Okay, so the scientific report, here again, whenever you generate a scientific report, produce a set of facts contained in it. The set of facts should be inserted at the end of the report. The set of facts should be the fundamental facts that could undermine the veracity of the report if any of them are incorrect. Okay, so you got the idea. Okay, let me go to the example number 3. Suppose news summary is your subject. So what you can do, when you are writing, or when you are providing, or when you provides a news summary, compline a set of facts contained in it. The set of facts should be inserted at the end of the summary. The set of facts should be the fundamental facts that could undermine the veracity of the summary if any of them are incorrect. Again, the health article related, if you have any question, any doubt, if you want to ask, so what you can write, when you write a health related article, list a set of facts contained in it. A set of facts should be inserted at the end of the article. The set of facts should be the fundamental facts that could undermine the veracity of the article if any of them are incorrect. So we will practice in this one also. And again, I think I have given another example. Example number 5 should be there. It is a technical documentation. Again, when we create a technical documentation, follow this. We have given the details. Okay. Okay, this is so let us practice this example. So here I am doing, when you write a health related article, list a set of facts contained in it. A set of facts should be inserted at the end of the article. The set of facts should be the fundamental facts, and that could undermine the veracity of the article if any of them are incorrect. Okay, so the format is pretty same. For just you need to replace your content, your desired outcome. Okay, see the health article, the benefit of plant-based diet. Okay, so it has given the topic, the benefit of a plant-based diet. Even further you can narrow it down, health related articles you mentioned, health related, instead of health related article, what you can say, you can replace your content like lose weight, gain weight, muscle building, like this, or stay fit and healthy, like this you can replace it. So summary, it has given a plant-based diet which emphasize fruits, vegetable gains, all these details, the summary given, but it is quite small and quite short, and it might not be the more details, but see what is the fact it has mentioned. Set of facts, nutritional balances and health benefits, weight management, nutrition deficiencies, environmental impact, ethical consideration, individual variability, and all these things, the fact it has mentioned, so it is more clear, more specific answer you will get. Okay, so I think you have got the idea that how to use that pattern. It is very powerful pattern, so you need to use it. You use it, you just replace your content, you replace your subject, you replace your desired outcome, what you are giving, what is your subject, and what is the expectation from ChatGPT, what you want from ChatGPT or any other artificial tools. You need to change those things only, but the template and format, everything will be same. You just here I have given only 5 examples. You create another 5 or 10 or 20 example for practice purpose, and practice it, and change a little bit. Don't exactly don't copy and paste it. Change a little bit and see the response. It might be that your output might be better than me. Okay, so you change something and see, become more creative, as I told earlier in the beginning of the course, that become be more creative. It's an art how good you will be. So you need to practice it, and you will you need to practice. The more you will practice, the better prompt you will write. You need to modify something, you need to add something, you need to become a creative. Okay, so then only you will get the better prompt. Okay, so I think it's pretty clear to you. You have got the idea then how to use this prompt, and the how to use this prompt and all the details. So let us again, I think, news summary subject, health article, then the technical documents also. Here is another example. The format is same. When you create a technical documentation in enumerate to set of facts contained in it, the set of facts should be inserted at the end of the documentation. The set of facts should be the fundament. Very powerful wording here. The set of facts should be fundamental facts that could undermine the veracity of the documentation if any of them are incorrect. So this is very powerful prompt. So you can copy it, paste it, replace your content, replace your subject, replace your topic, and then replace also your desired outcome. What do you want? I have asked only two questions. Might be for your case, it might be five questions you want to know. So you mention all those things, and you will get the better answer. You will get more accurate answer. So yeah, that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.